All right. As requested, Magic Keys on TradeLocker. If you're not familiar, Magic Keys were this Roger Banks risk tool for a MetaTrader that allowed you to calculate your risk, stop losses, and have some preset values using this little tool. And our good friends over at TradeLocker decided to implement that for free into their platform. You make your way over here to the left to the order panel. This little window pops up, tap this little arrow to expand it, and the magic really happens when you select this risk tool, right? So you're going to select the risk tool. This is in a 100K trial account with Funder Pro. For this middle bar is where you select the exact dollar amounts that you want to risk per trade. So I'm going to risk 1%. Above that is the tick bar. Every 100 ticks is 10 pips, and I risk 50 pips per trade, so let's put 500. And for the take profit, notice that the lot size has already been preset, right? After I put in 1,000 and put in 50 pip stop, the lot is automatically calculated for a 2.0. When I select take profit and put in 50 pips, it already has the brackets pop up instantly. I can also drag and drop these levels. I can click buy, enter the market with those preset values. I can select the trade over here and even drag and drop the stop loss. Really cool features they have over at TradeLocker. But the main thing is this magic key tool was made possible by this risk button, right? So again, you click that risk button, set your desired risk, set your stop loss, enable your TP, the brackets appear, and you can drag and drop these levels as desired. So I hope that helps. Yeah, comment any other features you would like me to explain or demonstrate. Until next time, you